Last year was cool, right? But are you ready for more? Because we are. First, more education. You will learn from the best choreographers in the world. And this year, we came up with Fair Play Dance Camp Street. 10 days full of great street classes. You can't deny you love classes with Coppola or Paradox. It's also good to take care of your mind. That's why you should take part in Boost Lectures, where we talk more instead of moving. There will be also places to build up your condition. You can become a Spartan in Salah's army during his daily physical training. Tony Czar's Full Intentions experience. That's a new thing. Meeting Tony every day. It will be a mind-blowing experience. Masterclasses is an option, where you can learn in a smaller group of people. And there is nothing better than an inspiring evening full of amazing performances during Fair Play Dance Camp Showcase. Now, let's talk about more chances. You can't miss Dance Battle to the Beatbox, the best dancers competing to the sounds made by the best beatboxers. This is not a chance that you get every day. If you were there last year, you know what I'm saying. Check your freestyle skills by taking part in All Styles Battle. This competition will be a night to remember. Better be there. And if you prefer to challenge yourself with performing choreographies, you can become a killer of classes. That's a nice title. So you will have a few chances to get prizes and trophies. And we all agree that winning is cool. And you can get a scholarship. You can go to Rio de Janeiro or Los Angeles. There are lots of schools there worth visiting. And that's Pam. She won our camp last year, and she came straight to us from Brazil. That's nice. Here, you can meet over 1,000 people from at least 53 countries who came here for the same reason as you. Exchange your knowledge. Have nice inspirational talks. Those cool guys from Fair Play Crew, besides that they like to entertain, they also like to search for talents and try to support them with the use of their foundation. They can give you the opportunity to show your skills to the world. And of course, having a good time is an important thing. So there will be more festival life. 10 amazing days and nights with nice people. You can chill in our Chill Out Day Zone. You can eat something good while listening to nice music in the background. If you like shopping, that's also fine. There will be occasions to spend some money on unique products created by your teachers. Did I mention that you will not only meet dancers, but also great beatboxers every day? And of course, parties, jams, and some live music. That's Brian performing last year. We eat, we dance, and we do what we want on our campus in this beautiful Polish city of Kraków. So I will ask one more time. Are you ready? That's what I thought. Register at fpdancecamp.com.